Hello! I'm so excited to meet my new student for the Summer Strive Challenge. Comment, join right now, JOIN. And today, I'm inviting each one of you to grab a foam roller for a beautiful core engagement, releasing tightness on your hamstring. So I have my friends here, Sandy and Vivi, to do some lovely pelvic floor work. And if you want to join my summer challenge, just comment join, JOIN right now. Today is the only day that you can get a huge discount. So if you want to join, just comment join, JOIN. And you can also join me and my friends right now for this lovely hip mobility, core, and pelvic floor engagement. So what's the purpose of the foam roller? Yes, comment join right now and you will receive the invitation directly inside your DM. So we need a foam roller. If you need a soft foam roller, comment foam, FOAM, and you can get the link as well. So let's begin the program. We're gonna lie down on your back, place the foam roller underneath your pelvis. Gravity assisted. As I said, our pelvic floor needs to expand, contract. Like as your diaphragm goes down, as you exhale, it lifts. As you breathe in, breathe out. So it's important to engage your core muscles safely and effectively. So if you have a latchkey bladder, if you have weakness on your core muscles, this is the program for you. So comment join right now to really lift, JOIN. I'll see you inside the program. I have my weekly live stream, so you can join me. Plus 8 weeks of daily exercises that you can join me and the program slow, progressive, 8 to 15 minute workout. So we're good with the foam roller underneath your pelvis. You take a deep breath through your nose, expand your abdominal muscles. So the purpose of that, the diaphragm goes down and it gently stretches your pelvic floor to engage. And you want to add a little bit mind-body awareness. If you imagine if there's a blueberry inside your pee-pee going up, as you zip it up, like a small green pea going up, or blueberry up to your kidneys. As you slowly, gentle tilt, you can incorporate a little bit posterior pelvic tilt, roll in like this. And that scoops up your pelvic floor, the anterior portion of your pelvic floor. So as you breathe in, expand your abdominal muscles. You can see the expansion. It should not be through your chest, but through your abdominal muscles. This will help stretch. And exhale, zip it up, and breathe out. Inhale, expand. Exhale, zip it up. It's important to breathe out through your mouth and engage. Last set, inhale. Exhale, zip it up. Now hold on to the foam roller for absolute beginners. This is 6 inches. This is easier for those with really weak pelvic floor because it's higher elevation. But I also have a 3 inches that Vidi and my friend Sandy has. So hold on to the foam roller. Let's warm up your pelvis first, your hips. As you breathe in, expand, exhale, zip it up to tabletop. So tabletop is a nice start up to engage your hip flexors if you're weak on your hip flexors. If you have diastasis recti, inhale as you go down, exhale, switch to the other side. Not too high or not too low, keep it 90-degree bent. Inhale down, exhale, zip it up. Exert and lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Tabletop. Breathe in, breathe out. So comment join, JOIN, to get more info to this Strive Summer Challenge. Inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale, down. Last set. Breathe in, breathe out. So from tabletop, you're going to slowly extend and lock your knee to lengthen your hamstrings as much as you can. This will help relieve this pressure on your posterior pelvic floor at the back end. So those are deep pelvic floor muscles, your levator ani that needs to be released as you stretch your hamstrings. As you inhale, bend back, exhale down. Zip it up. Inhale, expand, exhale, zip it up to tabletop. And then slowly lengthen and stretch. You're going to feel the beautiful release on your hamstrings. And then inhale, exhale down. So comment join, JOIN, to join my Strive Summer Challenge. Because only for today you get the huge discount. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Inhale, exhale down. Breathe in, expand. Exhale, zip it up. And then extend. Feel that lengthening. Breathe in. Breathe out. Squeeze your core in as you exert. Can you feel the stretch, guys? It feels good after all the lifting weights, right? The hamstring needs to be lengthened, and that's to have a beautiful recovery if you're doing a run, a long walk, or lifting heavy weights. Inhale, exhale that. Come and join, JOIN, to join the program right now. Don't miss out for the summer. So by the summer, you are ready to have better bladder control. You don't have to worry when you're having fun with your family, traveling, and you have a stronger core and improved posture. Breathe in, and it's not too late if you're perimenopausal or menopausal women, you started having this leaky bladder. And this is a great start. You don't need a lot of work. It's so easy to follow along. You'll see results even in 4 weeks. Last set. Inhale, exhale, zip it up. And you're really going to feel the lift. Make sure it's up and in. Up and in. Isolate that area together with movements. Inhale, exhale, lift. Last one. Hold that position. Keep it locked. If you can't lock your knee, that's fine. Hold on to the foam roller. We'll do a small circle like the size of a small dish. As you breathe in, breathe out. Up and in. Squeeze your core in. Breathe in, breathe out. Small circle like the size of a small dish. Inhale, exhale. Now let's reverse circles. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. So come and join JOIN to join the program today. And then switch to the other side, bend, and then lock. Everything is slow, controlled, easy to follow along videos, 8 to 15 minute program. Make sure you engage your core. Keep your breath work as you do small circle like the size of a small dish. As you breathe in and breathe out. So you're gonna keep expanding and contracting your pelvic floor and your abdominal muscles, gentle tug and pull to do the healing process. And then reverse circles, take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Come and join JOIN to access the program. Well done. Now lift both legs up. When you elevate your legs, toes pointing away, this helps lengthen and really engage your lower abdominal muscles. Hold on to the foam roller so it won't fall off. As you breathe in, breathe out, we'll do a small circle like the size of a small dish. Don't forget your breath work. As you breathe in, breathe out. Squeezing your core in. Today is May 1st, 10 a.m. It's almost 11, US Central Time. I just opened the registration for my Strive Pelvic Floor 8-week challenge. So come and join JOIN and learn more on how to revive your pelvic floor health. Now let's reverse circles. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Squeezing your core in. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your core engagements. Everyone's doing fine. Feels good, right? After the lifting today. Now, from this, we're going to do V-stretch. As you breathe in, expand your abdominal muscles and slowly open and separate your feet apart, toes pointing away. As you exhale, dorsiflex your ankle. This will help stretch further your calf and your hamstring. And then slow and steady go back to the center and really squeezing your core in, feet together. Inhale, exhale, open. Toes pointing away, and then dorsiflex once you reach that V opening, V stretch, and then back center. And then once you back center, tippy toes. Inhale, exhale, open, and then dorsiflex as you go back center. Come and join right now, JOIN, to join the program today. Don't miss out on this opportunity before summer 2025. Let's begin to revive our pelvic floor health. Open, V-stretch, dorsiflex, and back center. Inhale, expand, tippy toes, exhale, open. You'll be guided safely and effectively inside my program, a private community, plus all the daily exercises for the next 8 weeks. And I have a free gift, another 30-day challenge you'll access once you join today, only for the first 100 people. Inhale, exhale, back center. Last one. and breathe out. So just come and join right now inside the line. Okay, my friends, now we're gonna do scissoring. Grab the back of your thigh and slowly lower one leg to the other side. Good. As you lengthen, feel that stretch, right? You feel it on your hamstrings as you breathe in, breathe out. And switch to the other side. Grab the other thigh and then lower the opposite leg. We're almost done. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the beautiful lengthening of our hamstrings as you breathe in, breathe out. Squeezing your core in, lengthen. Feel that lengthening of your hamstrings. So come and join JOIN right now. Join my 30-day preach gift plus the 8-week challenge. So don't miss out. Daily exercises, and don't worry, it's all recorded. And the weekly live stream, there's also live streams every Saturdays. And you're gonna feel your pelvic floor slow and steady. And you can always go back at it. It's forever. You have the program with you forever. So it's a good discount only for today. Don't miss out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last set. Well done. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this simple. This is what you see inside my program. Some are foam rollers, some are wall pilates, some are ball exercises, and a lot of things you're gonna learn inside my Revive Pelvic Floor Health Core Rehab. So come and join JOIN right now and join my program. I'll see you inside my class. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!